Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra. In order to do it, you need to first find the print screen button on your keyboard, which is right here next to the F12 key on the top row. And just click on it alone, or if that doesn't work for you, click on Windows, Shift and S at the same time. But I think this combination is kind of unnecessary since in Windows 11 the print screen alone works exactly the same. So let's click on the print screen, then you can select screen recording tool. And now you need to select the portion of the screen that you want to record. I'm gonna select the whole screen, but of course feel free to, for example, set it to something like this, or maybe without the taskbar. It's just up to you. You can enable or disable the microphone, so if it's unmuted, you can just record videos with your voice. You can mute or unmute system audio, and then just click on start, give the microphone permission, and it'll start counting down from 3. And now it started recording. You can just do anything on the screen. You can also say anything if the microphone is on. And once you're done, you can also just pause it, then resume later. But once you're done with everything, just stop the recording. It'll show you this pop-up where the video is. So you can, for example, play it and see if it's great. Then by default, it will also save that recording to the screen recordings folder, which you can find in File Explorer, then Videos, then in Videos it will be Screen Recordings, and here is my screen recording. You can also trim it with the trim button. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.